Ready to get your mind blown by fruit? Today we're diving into 10 fruits and 4 amazing facts about each. Some will surprise you, some will shock you, and one might even freak you out. Let's jump right in. 1. Banana. It's technically a berry, while strawberries aren't. Bananas are naturally radioactive due to their potassium content. They don't grow on trees, but on giant herbs. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. 2. Pineapple. It's not a single fruit, it's a cluster of berries fused together. Pineapples regenerate. You can plant their tops to grow new ones. They contain bromelain, an enzyme that digests protein, including your tongue. They take about 2 years to grow just one fruit. 3. Apple. There are over 7,500 varieties of apples around the world. Apples float in water because they're 25% air. The apple tree originated in Central Asia, not Europe. Apple seeds contain cyanide, but you'd need a lot to get sick. 4. Kiwi. It has more vitamin C than an orange. One kiwi can meet your daily needs. The fuzzy skin is edible and packed with fiber. Originally called the Chinese gooseberry, renamed for marketing, it's a natural meat tenderizer thanks to the enzyme actinidin. 5. Mango. It's the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. One mango contains over 20 different vitamins and minerals. The mango tree can live and produce fruit for over 300 years. Some people are allergic to mango skin. It's related to poison ivy. 6. Watermelon. It's 92% water, perfect for hydration. Early explorers used watermelons as canteens. There's a yellow variety called yellow crimson, just as sweet. Every part of the watermelon is edible, even the rind and seeds. 7. Strawberry. It's the only fruit with seeds on the outside, and about 200 of them. Technically, it's not a true berry, but a multiple fruit. Strawberries were once used to clean teeth, naturally whitening. The ancient Romans believed they cured depression and fever. 8. Pomegranate. Each fruit can contain over 1,000 seeds, called arils. It's one of the world's oldest cultivated fruits, over 4,000 years. Pomegranates are a symbol of fertility and abundance in many cultures. The juice contains antioxidants that can boost heart health. 9. Blueberry. It's one of the only naturally blue foods in the world. Native Americans used blueberries for dye and medicine. They're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. Blueberries can improve brain function and memory. Sepula. Durian. It's called the king of fruits in Southeast Asia. It has a strong smell, so strong it's banned in many hotels and transport. Despite the odor, it's rich in vitamins and healthy fats. It can grow up to 12 inches long and weigh over 7 pounds. That's it for today, fruit lovers. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more juicy content. See you next time.